Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're not giving away money, we're helping you make money. We're diving into some of the most exciting rental business ideas that you can start right now. That's right, forget the 9-to-5 grind, we're talking about being your own boss. Whether you've got a garage full of stuff just gathering dust or you're looking for a killer investment opportunity, I've got 10 ideas that are going to blow your mind. So buckle up, smash that like button and get those notebooks ready because we're about to break down how to turn your passion into profit. Let's get into it. First up, we've got party equipment rentals. This one's a gold mine. Think about it. Every year there are birthdays, weddings, graduation parties, family reunions. The list goes on. And you know what people need for those parties? Everything. Tables, chairs, bouncy houses, cotton candy machines, you name it. Rent it out and rake in the cash. Next up, we're hitting the road with car rentals. This one's especially hot in tourist destinations. People fly in, they need to get around, and boom, you're their personal chauffeur service, minus the actual chauffeuring. But it's not just tourists. Think about people who need a car for a special occasion or their own car is in the shop. The possibilities are endless. Vacation rentals are absolutely exploding right now. Everyone and their grandma is looking for a cool place to stay on Airbnb or VRBO. Got a spare room, a guest house, a whole freaking mansion. Rent it out. You get to meet interesting people from all over the world and they get a unique place to stay. It's a win-win. Plus, you can make some serious bank, especially during peak season. 5. Tool time. Turning your garage into a gold mine. Let's be real. Not everyone's got the space or the cash to buy every single tool they're ever going to need. That's where you come in. Tool rental is a lifesaver for DIYers and weekend warriors. From power drills to lawn mowers to pressure washers, having a wide selection of tools can turn your garage into a rental empire. 6. Furniture flippers. Renting out couches, beds and more. Moving is a pain in the you-know-what, and sometimes people just need furniture for a short period. That's where furniture rental comes in, whether it's students moving into dorms, folks furnishing a temporary apartment, or even staging a house for sale. You'll be surprised how high the demand is. 7. Fashion forward, the rise of clothing rental. Okay, this one's for all you fashionistas out there. Clothing rental is blowing up, and for good reason. Why drop hundreds or even thousands of dollars on an outfit you're only going to wear once? Rent it. From designer dresses to tuxedos to costumes, you can help people look their best without breaking the bank. 8. With gas prices through the roof, biking is more popular than ever. And in touristy areas, forget about it. People are dying to rent bikes and explore. But it's not just tourists. Think about students on campus, commuters looking for an alternative to driving, or folks just wanting to enjoy a nice day outdoors. 9. Picture-perfect profits. Camera and equipment rental. Cameras, lenses, lighting equipment. That stuff ain't cheap, but you know who needs it? Aspiring photographers, videographers, and anyone looking to capture those Instagram-worthy moments. That's where you come in. Renting out high-quality equipment can be a lucrative business, especially if you cater to professionals and serious hobbyists. 10. Gearing up for success, sports equipment rental. From kayaks to paddleboards to skis and snowboards, people love to get their adrenaline pumping. But buying all that gear can be crazy expensive, especially if you're only using it a few times a year. That's where you come in. Renting out sports equipment is a fantastic way to capitalize on people's love for adventure. Chapter 10, Office Space Odyssey, renting out your square footage. Startups, freelancers, digital nomads. These guys all need a place to work their magic, but renting a traditional office can be pricey and a pain in the neck. That's where you come in. Whether you've got a spare room, a co-working space, or even a whole building, renting out office space can be a great way to generate passive income. Start renting, start earning. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Seriously, hit that subscribe button harder than a landlord trying to collect rent on the first of the month. See you in the next video!